Welcome to Zoom and Groom's receptionist training. In this tutorial, you will learn how to navigate this website. At the top, you will find a menu, which contains various tabs. Click on the Orientation tab to learn all about Zoom and Groom's history, mission statement, and much more. When you have completed the Orientation tab, you may click on Customer Service, where you will learn how to interact and communicate with customers. When you have completed this tab, you may click on Core Values, where you will learn all about Zoom and Groom's 4 important core values. Then, you may click on How to process a transaction to learn how to use Zoom and Groom's computer system. Finally, click on Discussion, where you will be asked an important question and will have the opportunity to answer and discuss with other members. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to ask a supervisor or manager. We hope you enjoy this training and wish you the best.